Hello friends, welcome back to Arogya Foods. Today let's make jeera cookies for tea time snack. In a pan, first take 1/2 teaspoon of jeera and 1/2 teaspoon of ajwain. Dry roast them and keep aside. Now in a bowl add 1/4 cup of ghee or a butter, and for this add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Mix them well. Then add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve them and then crush the ajwain and jeera and add to this. Gently mix everything together. Gradually add milk to this and make a soft dough. This snack is so ideal for tea time, and this is very healthy and tasty too. Must try recipe. Please do try once. Once cookie dough is ready, dust some dry flour and roll slightly thin. Don't make it so thin and not thick also. Now cut into shapes. Use cookie cutter or a knife and cut into pieces as you wish. I had a cookie cutter, so I have used this cookie cutter to make a shapes. And once it is done, air fry them at 150 degree for 10 minutes. Now it's ready. Look at the sound. This is so crunchy and tasty too. Must try recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Support me. See you again.